Hello dear friends, let's go make the peppers, the banana peppers Indian styles. So I have all the spices here, Indian spices. So I wash them. This is my home garden, so I make long cut here to filling spices inside. So we're gonna going to make all spices in the bowl, and I have amchur. This one is little sour amchur, and then I have dhania powder, this red chili, is just a little because this one have already chili is already hot, turmeric powder, then I have jeera powder, then garam masala powder, the little bit hing, add some salt, mix all together, mix them all together. So fill in the banana peppers, just little in the every each banana pepper like this. So my peppers all is ready to fry. I fill the everything in spices inside. Now I put 1 tablespoon avocado oil here. So now I'm going to fry this one. Put each one in the pan. All the peppers in the pan. The leftover spices. Now we're going to cover to cook about 2 minutes this side, then we're gonna turn the other side. After 2 minutes, now we're gonna turn the sides. Looks like this. We're going to turn each one. मैं तो कीता है करना होगा. 2 minutes more, then gonna be done. My pepper is ready, so you can serve with rice. You can serve with bread or roti. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.